All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a competition you would like to take part in. Now, this is in future. So, a competition will be held in the future and you would like to take part in that competition. You can speak about the competition in future and you can give a reference of present tense as well. Please, you can start.
Okay. Well, when I was in school, back in my school, I used to take part in a lot of competitions, be it poem recital, banner presentation, art competitions, or painting. But one that was of my shared interest was basketball competition, because in my school it used to happen every year. It was annual competition, and it was more of a inter-school competition in which other branches of my school used to come over, and it became like a carnival because stalls were installed and other activities used to take place as well. And at the end of the competition, a trophy was given, and we used to make new friends because obviously other people and other students from other schools and branches used to come over. So it was a chance to make new friends, and obviously seeing the competition and the game was of my interest. So in near future, if I ever get a chance, I would like to take part in basketball competition, because that was of my interest back in my school days.
Okay, 59 seconds. So you should try to speak a little more and wait for the examiner to stop you. Overall, it's good. You spoke well. You spoke very fluently. So I would only say keep it up and wait for the examiner to stop you. Now, we've got speaking part 3. What type of competitions are common in your hometown?
It depends on what kind of competition is. It could be educational. It could be something related to art, singing, music, dance, and science competitions. It could be a fair, carnival, and music competition, dance competitions, which basically happen at the school. Music and the dance competitions and fashion competitions, which occur at school mainly.
Do you prefer musical competitions or educational ones?
I would prefer educational competitions because I'm more interested in science and something which is related to education. So I would prefer educational competitions.
All right. It's the end of your speaking test. Overall, fantastic. Your pronunciation is good. Fluency is very fine. It's remarkable. So just keep it up. Okay.
Thank you.